Welcome. In front of me is a Amazon Fire Phone, and today I'll show you how to change the language of the device. So starting off, we'll need to open up the settings app, which can be either in the up drawer, pulling from the bottom, and you'll have it right here, or you can also pull down from the top to get the notification panel, and it's right here. Whichever one you choose, it doesn't really matter. So from here, choose the device right here, and you will see change your language. Tap on it, and you get a short list of languages that you can choose from, and you just tap on whichever one you like. So if I choose United Kingdom now, and go back to the device and change languages, you'll see that it is now selected to United Kingdom. So it does. I'm sticking with English. So as you've seen, when I go back, I can actually still find it, and like in a different language. So that is basically how you change it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.